In this, we are going to discuss the course timeline. Basically, this is the course timeline which I have designed for this course. Very firstly, we will start with some basics of Excel, like basic concept, what is Excel, why we need it, history of Excel, Excel setup in our system, finding and opening an Excel, what is a workbook, what is a worksheet, how to import data, shortcut keys. These are the basic things we are going to cover up in this first module, which is the basics of Excel. I will share complete shortcut keys cheat sheet in the end of this course as in PDF form, so that you can refer there to learn those shortcut keys while you are using Excel, formatting data, and many more concepts which are basics. We consider them as a basic concept. After that, we are going to cover up the functions and formulas. There are many functions, many things are there which are already inbuilt in Excel. We will see the useful and the daily basis used formulas, functions in our course, how we can build the basic formulas, order of operation, conditional formatting. Okay, so these are some things which we are going to cover up in this function and formulas part. We will see how we can validate our data, what is the data validation, data formatting, lookup function, what are the lookup function, how we can look up all these values. Some of the mostly used functions like if error, min, max, count, count a, if. So these are mainly generally the general asked question in interview also. So we will cover up all those things. After that, we will move into the charts and graph part. Whatever the data we have prepared in the form of text or just in a form of normal data form, we will present that data into a self-driven dashboards, graphs, different charts which are already inbuilt in Excel. We will utilize those charts to make our data or make our information a self-explanatory, so that a non-technical, a non-expert Excel guy can also easily understand what is the output, what is the meaning of that data which we have prepared. This is a good weapon. There are some charts like pie chart, bar chart, line chart, changing the chart design, how to format the chart, how to make it attractive, how to make it dynamic. We will see all those things in that particular part, which is the charts and graphs. After that, we will see the pivot tables. What are the pivot tables? Why we need them? What we can do with pivot tables? How we can create, modify and grouping the data, filter the data with the help of slicer. What is the slicer in pivot table, pivot charts, and many more things. Basically, the pivot tables, pivot is used to summarizing a data when we need a summary of a data. Next is case studies and BBA. Yes, definitely this is going to be an amazing part in this course, because whatever before this part, whatever we are going to cover, that is totally manually part, and after learning VBA, we are going to make our Excel an automated Excel part. Means how we can do our work automatically with the help of Excel, how we can automate our Excel. We will learn the automation, the modules, the procedures, VBA language, how we can read, what are the macros, how we can use them in Excel, what is the protected sheet, user form. Many things are there in this part. Basically this is the most amazing part in this course. You will go you will learn, you will know some automations, how you can automate your day-to-day reports, day-to-day work in an automation machine just using Excel. Not any advanced language, nothing else, just using Excel only. After completion all these segments like basic of Excel, function and formulas, charts, graphs, pivot tables, summary, case studies, BBA, we have learned a lot. Now it's time to implement all those things together on a place, on a particular project, so that we can learn, we can see how these things combinedly can give us a amazing output. So we will design amazing dashboards, I will also use COVID data dashboard, how just a normal Excel looking dashboard is going to cool. I will show you that dashboard in the next video, which you are going to get in this course end. There are many projects like data model, what is data modeling, business scenarios. We will see every section, we will cover up the business scenarios, case studies, practical examples, live requirements of the businesses we will see. I will also make you the data on cricket data report card. We will see how we can dynamically make a report card just using Excel with the KPIs, what are KPIs, what are dimension versus major fields, fully automatic purchase and sales system. So this is the management and tools, and this is the entire course which we are going to cover up in this. Yeah, thank you. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.